Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Well, you put together a professional proposal, right? But how can you make it even better? Here's an idea. Put in some breadcrumbs. A little bit of a breadcrumb trail to make a point, to lead your prospect to something important. And the something important you want to lead them to is to the very fact that you get them better than anyone else. So what are these breadcrumbs? If in your proposal you can put little ideas and items and situations that are very specific to that building, to that customer, things you've gotten to know about them as far as what they want, how they call different parts of their building, anything very unique, more than just a standard office cleaning bid or bid proposal, breadcrumbs that by the end of it, when they get through, whether it be in the wording of the proposal, but also very likely in the wording of the job specifications, by the end of it, when you're reviewing it with them, they're going to go, this person knows this building, and this person, you, knows them and what they want uniquely in a way more than other cleaning contractors, because you put these breadcrumbs throughout the proposal and throughout the job specs that are very unique, that little trail of crumbs leads them to the point where they know that it's you. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.